yourself. After that, I am going to ask questions. And as everybody knows, you are very punctual. Yes.
Hello, good evening to all of you. My name is Aradhana and I have completed my 12th from commerce stream. I have got 70% in 12th. Now we are just visiting college for my course, and I have decided for VWalk and साथ में with the VWalk I will also prepare boxing.
Okay, if you have not understood BWalk, it is Bachelors of Vocation Training.
Yes.
Huh? It is really good. She is going to learn lot of skills over there. Please tell them. I think they don't know you right.
I will completed VWalk from BFSI, Banking, Financial, Insurance and Services.
Okay, please tell them, or you know how to ride Pulsar. Do they know?
I think
do you know she
I
rides
think
Pulsar? Okay, because it is a misconception, girls are able to ride only scooter, but she rides Pulsar. Okay. No, it is really good, beta. When I see you,
no sir, most of legal also ride bikes.
Nowadays many girls are there, those who ride the bike. Okay, no, beta, don't you find that the guts you have? I really feel very happy. When I see you, I really feel happy because you have got the guts to be in the Indian Army. You have the guts to be in the Indian Police. Because strong females are required to be over there, to be in such services. Have you ever thought about this? Have you ever thought? Because you have got a strength. You have your thinking pattern is different. Okay? So have you ever thought to be in the police or in army?
No sir, earlier I was thinking for Navy, Defense Navy, but in this course वो मांग रहे थे,
They were demanding
math and PCM in 12th class, but I had no math in 12th class. I have completed my 12th class with commerce.
Okay, so with
Economics.
With economics you have done your. Okay, so you want to do BWalk, and apart from this you want to prepare for the sports also, as you are preparing for the boxing.
If I will win the Olympics, so maybe I will get a government job in like a Navy, Army, Defense, Navy.
Okay, so now you are preparing yourself for the Olympics.
Yeah.
Don't you find that for this you will have to toil a lot? You will have to work very hard.
Yes.
Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Ready for that?
Yes, because when I will pursuing my course, so I will take online classes.
Last question for you, has it been happened to you somewhere has mistakenly considered you a boy? Has it ever happened with you somebody has mistakenly considered you a boy?
No, it's always happen.
It always happens. So how do you feel that time?
And even then my family also treated me like a boy.
Like a boy. Have you ever done like this?
No, I don't do this
Okay.
type of
Thank
things.
you very much. Good answer.